Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we're going to be discussing 8 low-calorie substitutes for sugar. If you're someone who's trying to cut back on your sugar intake, this video is just for you. We all know that sugar is not the best ingredient when it comes to our health, but sometimes we just can't resist the sweet cravings. So, let's take a look at some of the alternatives that you can use in your daily life. 1. Stevia. The first low-calorie substitute for sugar is stevia. Stevia is a natural sweetener that is derived from the Stevia rhodiana plant. It has 0 calories and is 200 times sweeter than sugar, so a little goes a long way. Stevia is a great option for those who are looking to reduce their sugar intake, as it won't affect blood sugar levels and has no negative impact on health. 2. Erythritol. The second low-calorie substitute for sugar is erythritol. Erythritol is a sugar alcohol that is 60 to 70% as sweet as sugar and has virtually 0 calories. It has a clean, sweet taste and is absorbed by the body, so it doesn't cause digestive problems like some other sugar substitutes. Erythritol is a great option for those who are looking to cut back on their sugar intake without sacrificing taste. 3. Xylitol. The third low-calorie substitute for sugar is xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar alcohol that is derived from birch trees and has 40% fewer calories than sugar. It has a similar taste and texture to sugar, making it a great option for baking and cooking. Xylitol is also good for dental health as it doesn't promote tooth decay like sugar does. 4. Monk fruit extract. The fourth low-calorie substitute for sugar is monk fruit extract. Monk fruit extract is a natural sweetener that is derived from a small melon grown in Southeast Asia. It is 150 to 200 times sweeter than sugar and has 0 calories. Monk fruit extract has a unique sweet taste and is a great option for those who are looking for a natural sugar alternative. 5. Coconut sugar. The fifth low-calorie substitute for sugar is coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is derived from the sap of the coconut palm and has a lower glycemic index than sugar, meaning it won't cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Coconut sugar has a similar taste to brown sugar and can be used in baking and cooking. 6. Agave nectar. The sixth low-calorie substitute for sugar is agave nectar. Agave nectar is a natural sweetener that is derived from the agave plant and is 25% sweeter than sugar. It has a low glycemic index and is a great option for those who are looking for a natural sugar alternative. Agave nectar can be used in a variety of recipes, including drinks, sauces, and baked goods. 7. Honey. The seventh low-calorie substitute for sugar is honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that is made by bees and has a unique taste and texture. It has a lower glycemic index than sugar and is a great option for those who are looking for a natural sugar alternative. Honey can be used in a variety of recipes, including drinks, sauces, and baked goods. 8. Maple syrup. The eighth low-calorie substitute for sugar is maple syrup. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener that is derived from the sap of the maple tree and has a unique taste and texture. It has a lower glycemic index than sugar and is a great option for those who are looking for a natural sugar alternative. Maple syrup can be used in a variety of recipes, including drinks, sauces, and baked goods. So there you have it, 8 low-calorie substitutes for sugar. Whether you're looking for a natural sugar alternative or simply trying to cut back on your sugar intake, these substitutes are a great option. Be sure to experiment with different options to find the one that works best for you. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you may have. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.